Today, we're breaking down Leila Hormozi's video on making money so fast it feels illegal. He explains how he built wealth in his 20s and reveals the key strategies that allowed him to out-earn Fortune 500 CEOs without breaking the law. The biggest mistake people make when pricing their products or services is basing it on their costs rather than the value they provide. Hormozi explains this with his value equation. First is the dream outcome. What does the customer actually want? Whatever it is, you must position your offer as the best way to achieve their goal. Second is the perceived likelihood of achievement. People want to know their investment will pay off. Increase their confidence by showing proof, reducing risk, or offering guarantees. Third part of the equation is time delay. The faster you can deliver the result, the more valuable your offer becomes. And lastly, effort and sacrifice. The less work the customer has to do, the more they'll be willing to pay. Using this equation, Hormozi was able to charge 10 times more than his competitors while delivering more value. For example, he compares a $100 plastic table from Home Depot to a $20,000 handcrafted wooden table. Both serve the same basic function, but the expensive table offers status, prestige, and convenience. Most businesses price themselves like a plastic table but expect luxury-level margins. The key is positioning. If you solve an expensive problem and make it easy for the customer, you can command a much higher price. Later in the video, Hormozi covers how he scaled his businesses incredibly fast by ensuring his customers paid for his growth. Instead of using his own money to acquire customers, he structured his offers so that every new customer funded the acquisition of the next customer. If it costs $100 to acquire a customer, you need to generate at least $200 to $300 from them immediately, enough to pay for their acquisition and fund the next one. And instead of waiting months to make a profit, he designed his offers to break even or profit within 30 days. Hormozi used this strategy to grow his gym business, opening new locations every 6 months without using any of his own money. Later, he applied the same principle to Gym Launch, where he scaled from $0 to $10 million in just 10 months. The final point he covers in his video is once you master pricing and cash flow, the next step is turning revenue into long-term wealth. Most people focus on making money, but the wealthy focus on multiplying their enterprise value. This is why software companies and subscription-based businesses scale so fast. They turn customers into long-term assets that investors will pay a premium for. Hormozi compares two businesses. Business A acquires 100 customers per year but loses them just as fast. Business B acquires 100 customers per year but retains them. Over time, Business B becomes exponentially more valuable without needing constant new sales. The key takeaway? The real game isn't making money. It's building an asset that compounds over time. That's it for today. Make sure to check this channel for more content that saves you time and just gives you the value. If you want me to cover any other topics and long content, let me know in the comments section.